Díagwit agus fáilte arás. In this video we're going to look at 5 random words beginning with the letter G. If you want to learn more Irish words and phrases, then why not subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And let me know in the comment section if there's any particular video you'd like to see me do in future. So our first Irish word then is gá. Gá is the Irish for need, as in necessity. Gá. Más gá is if needed or if necessary. Ní gá dit sin a dhéanamh. There's no need to do that. Ní gá dit sin a dhéanamh. Our next word is geal. Geal is the Irish for white or bright. Geal. And that's where gealach comes from. Gealach is the Irish for moon. Geal a aig. Her face brightened. Geal a aig. Tá an spéir ag geala. The sky is brightening or the sky is clearing. Tá an spéir ag geala. Our next word beginning with the letter G is gealtanas. Gealtanas is the Irish for a promise, and gealtanas posta is an engagement, which literally translates into a promise of marriage. Gealtanas. Rinne sé gealtanas dom. He made me a promise. Rinne sé gealtanas dom. An gealtanas é sin. Is that a promise? An gealtanas é sin. Our next word is gaudy. Gaudy is the Irish for a thief. Gaudy. And gaudíocht is theft. Rug siad ar an ngadí. They caught the thief. Rug siad ar an ngadí. Our next word is galar. Galar is the Irish for disease, and galar cree is heart disease. Tá an galar sin ag gá bháil do go leor daoine. That disease affects a lot of people. Tá an galar sin ag gá bháil do go leor daoine. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to let me know in the comment section some other words you might have beginning with the letter G, and let me know if there's any particular videos or any particular topics you'd like me to focus on in future. Míle buíochas agus slán tamaill.